pissed off. I've been sitting there for a few days now. So I was like, fuck it. Went and grabbed the truck real quick from the dealer, hooked up to the trailer. Hopefully it make it to drop the trailer off. I think it will. The trans just be doing like some super jerking, like some weird shit. So I just didn't want a chance of pulling all that weight with the car and they're going all the way to Atlanta on an 11-hour ride, going there and coming back, and then I break down on the road. Like if it break down right now up here, I really don't care. I'm at home. I could get it towed. Plus it's a new truck, so they'll give me roadside assistance and all that shit. But I definitely was finna put my trailer up. So, put it up, lock it up. Like I say, drop these wheels off. I'm about 5 minutes from Sammy's right now. So we're going to get up there, unload the wheels. Like I say, holler at him. I'm going to show y'all some more of the truck. He started busting the C-10 down already. I think he already took out some of the interior. He getting it ready because, when you take the cab off the frame, he don't want to have a lot of weight in there, the seat and all that stuff like that. So, yeah, we finna figure it out, man, and put this game plan together and get it going. I'm ready. I ain't gonna lie. Shit. I'm definitely ready. Ready to see it sitting on them 30's, man, and get it running and driving and have PC do his thing. Whatever. Y'all know the process, man. So, yeah, we'll be up here in a couple seconds. I'll see, man. They up here working. Up here working. See what he had going on in here right now. Okay. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Bust it down. Y'all see them floors? Yes, sir. No rust. That's just carpet dust right there. No rust. Floor is looking brand new, crispy, OEM. No rust whatsoever. Yeah. Super solid. That was one of the main reasons I wanted to get this truck. Like I say, there's no rust nowhere. So, yes, sir. Looking good, man. Looking good. Look like he might have. Dang. He already busted down? What's under here? Got the hood open. Let's see. Oh, okay. He ain't take it out yet. This motor actually good, too. It run good, so I might say the little 350, man, find a little roller to put it in, man, to sell it. So I see he took off the little front rims off of here. They probably was losing air on the flat. He trying to get my rallies, man. I'm on his ass. Yes, sir, but I already know he in here working. You know they don't fuck around at Sammy's. He already got his tubs cut out on the build he doing. He ain't wasting no damn time. No time. Getting it ready. Real quick. Oh, yeah, so he already did this side. That's crazy. Yeah, this side already done with the new tub. The wider tub, bigger, deeper. So, yeah, he ain't fucking around. He ain't doing no fucking around. Yeah. You already know Wade truck up here. Yeah, Junior knocking shit out, man. They moving real quick. I got him leaning on. I would stand him straight up. I don't want him to roll away, though. That's crazy as hell, though. They look super damn big sitting by the truck. Yeah. Yeah. That shit gonna look nuts. Look crazy, boy. Let's see. Just gonna try to roll away. These bitches heavy. Big ass 30s. Motherfucker look crazy. Yeah. Let's see. Try to stand this one up, lean it on there like that. I don't want these damn wheels to fall on me. This one trying to roll away. Damn, man, let me see. You know what? I'm gonna find something to stick up under that tire. That's what I'll do. Yeah, right here, that's perfect. A piece of metal. Stick this up under there so that bitch don't roll away. Let's see. Yeah. All right, let's see. There you go. That shit look funny as hell right now. Oh God. That bitch gonna be nasty though on them big motherfuckers. Definitely gonna be nasty. Man, what's good, y'all? I ain't got my pocket Osmo 3 out here, but I'm gonna record with the phone a little bit, show y'all the females got they pull up a park out west in the circle. Y'all out of town, y'all don't really know where it's at, but show y'all, man. I'm gonna do a ride out. I got my dog from St. Louis down here with me. Females, they call themselves the sharks. This joint nasty. Yeah. What's happening? How you feel? All right. You know, I've been waiting to see it. You know, how you feel? Good, bro? I sure been waiting to see this joint. Squat it down there, man. That big roof in that joint. Hard top, too. Nice roof. No glass, hard top. That look good in this joint. See the details. What's happening? How you feeling? Good? This joint nasty, man. Nasty. This my boy. This is other car, the lowrider his too, man. He thinking about putting the motor in. He said that motherfucker squat hard on the billets. What's up? This the Mons right here. Damn, to remind me of the Sammy's giveaway. Joint look good. Set up nice. Yeah. Now you don't see these much. And he got some shit up under the hood. He'll trick your motherfucking ass, catch you up under that hood. Yeah, don't run up on him. So just fucked me up. I did not know I was walking past. I'm like, hold on, let me see that. I'm walking around, I'll go over there. Made the channel. Yeah. Motherfucker look good. Something different. Yeah. Y'all see that joint? Got the swivel seat in there. Steering wheel. Matte black. Yeah. Red deck. Interior did. I like that, man. Something different, man. I always tell y'all I like cars that's different, man. I like this shit because you don't see it much. And he got this motherfucker put together. I know he making some power. He got that Kong under there. It's doing something. Yeah. This look good. Monte Carlo clean too. What's happening? Good.
How you been, man?
I'm all good. How you feeling?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Y'all been back at 41?
I'm gonna get a date for next year. So yeah.
Y'all got the same colors, man.
Yeah, look. Monty Ford's concave wheel on there. I like that little graphic, man. It look good. I wonder what he got in here, man. We were telling him about the hood, man. He got that Yanko on there. Let's see. Yeah.
I like love for you, man.
All right. What you got on the hood?
Man, 355, dog.
Okay. Yeah, it's clean as hell. You know I like the color. Blues and purples always my color.
Coded digital in there?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, you got the coded digital one that looked like the original.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. This joint definitely clean, man. Super clean. Color nice though, man. Y'all already know I like these colors. Yeah. Got them halo lights like I got on the Vert. And it light up. Yeah. So it definitely look good, man. Clean. What up? What's up? Oh, you got that interior lit up, man. Yeah. Play your videos, man. What's your channel? What's your YouTube?
Little Man Television.
Hold on, tell them again.
Little Man Television.
Little Man Television?
Yeah.
I bet. He on it. You got the camera backed up? All right, now you working, man. How old you is? Go on, let them know.
15.
All right. Hell yeah. This joint actually dark blue, dark navy blue. It's like one of that new Ford color you can't really see unless the light hit it. Joint nice, got them billets on there. Y'all probably see it in the camera, it's navy blue. Yeah, joint look good. Something different. Hey man, grandson, I don't know what you think this is. This ain't your bed, fam. You lucky I ain't slobbing on my seat. Wake his ass up. Mozzie beat. He say he done with this shit.
Hardest Chevy in my city, tell Ross I need the trophy. I'm a legend in this shit. Ask the street, these niggas know. Put the money where your mouth is. Shut the fuck up, let the bag talk, nigga. Let the bag talk, nigga. Let the bag